Windshield washer fluid is crucial for maintaining visibility while driving, especially in adverse weather conditions. In your Tesla Model Y, a clear windshield is essential for safe driving and for the proper functioning of autopilot and other advanced driver assistance systems. Neglecting this simple maintenance task can lead to reduced visibility and potentially dangerous driving situations. This video will guide you through checking and refilling your Model Y's washer fluid. The windshield washer fluid reservoir in the Tesla Model Y is located under the front trunk hood. To access it, stand in front of the vehicle and use the Tesla key fob or the touchscreen to open the frunk. Once the frunk is open, you'll typically find the reservoir on the left side, driver's side. It's usually marked with a windshield icon to help you easily identify it. You can check the fluid level in two ways. First, visually inspect the transparent plastic reservoir. Look for the min and max markings on the side. If the fluid level is below the min line, it's time to refill. Secondly, for added precision, Tesla's software post-2023 updates may display fluid levels on the touchscreen under Controls Service Fluids. Keep an eye out for low-level alerts on your touchscreen or mobile app, which are triggered by sensor data. Before you begin, gather the necessary supplies for refilling your windshield washer fluid. You'll need appropriate windshield washer fluid. Tesla recommends their branded washer fluid additive to prevent streaking on autopilot-enabled cameras, but standard automotive washer fluids containing surfactants are also suitable, especially for cold climates. A funnel can be helpful to prevent spills during the refilling process. Ensure you have a clean cloth or paper towels to wipe up any spills. Start by ensuring your Tesla Model Y is completely turned off and parked on a level surface for safety and accuracy. Open the frunk by pressing the release button on your key fob or touchscreen. Then locate the windshield washer fluid reservoir cap on the left side. It's usually marked with a blue or green screw-on cap. Carefully unscrew the reservoir cap. Pour the washer fluid slowly into the reservoir, using a funnel if available to prevent any spills or mess. Pour the fluid until it reaches the maximum line marked on the reservoir, but be careful not to overfill, as this can lead to leaks during operation. Screw the cap back on tightly to secure it, then close the frunk hood completely. For optimal performance and freezing protection, use a 50-50 mix of water and washer fluid concentrate, especially in colder climates. In warmer climates, pure concentrate may suffice. Avoid using undiluted water as it can freeze or lack essential cleaning agents. Tesla advises against using undiluted water, as it may freeze or lack cleaning agents. Also, avoid DIY mods to the system, as Tesla's warranty covers fluid-related issues. If the washer fluid pump isn't working, it could be due to frozen fluid in cold weather. Check if temperatures are below -10 degrees Celsius or -14 degrees Fahrenheit. If the fluid has frozen, allow the car to warm up in a garage or warmer environment. Make sure the vehicle thaws completely before trying to use the system. Clogged nozzles can prevent the washer fluid from spraying properly. This happens when dirt or debris builds up in the spray nozzles. To fix this, carefully clean the nozzles with a small pin. Insert the pin gently into the nozzle opening to clear any blockages, being careful not to damage the plastic parts. If the washer fluid problems persist after attempting to thaw frozen fluid or clean clogged nozzles, it's best to consult your Tesla service center. Professional technicians can properly diagnose any underlying issues with the pump, reservoir, or electrical components, and provide the necessary repairs. Tesla emphasizes sustainability, so consider using eco-friendly, biodegradable washer fluids that reduce environmental impact while maintaining effective cleaning. Looking ahead, future Model Ys may include advanced sensors for automated fluid replenishment, potentially integrating with fluid delivery services to make maintenance even more convenient. EVs generally require less frequent fluid changes due to regenerative braking and electric propulsion, which reduce wear and tear compared to traditional vehicles. Stay informed about maintenance updates via the Tesla app, which provides proactive notifications and easy access to service information.